It looks like Freddy hasn't made up his mind yet. This is a 3-day forecast. In the next 5 days, looks like he started moving south again, and then in 10 days. So it looks like the Sabi Graskop area is back to, almost back to earlier predicted rainfall. Looking at YR for Graskop, this is showing it 218, 200, 122, 130. Keep in mind, this is still a week into the future and almost a week, 5 days into the future, and it can still change a lot. Looking at, let's look at the Vaal first. The Vaal system above the dam is still feeding more than 2,400 cubics into the dam, Liebenbergs. That looks like about 2,800 going into the dam. We can just look at the dam itself as well. Looking at Bloemhof, this is where the trouble lies for the river systems. Bloemhof is at 107%. The water on its way to Bloemhof yesterday, Schoemansdrift showed 4,000 yesterday morning. It's now at 3,600. And the Vaal's adding about 90 to that. And we don't know exactly how much the FET is adding, but let's say 65 for now. The outflow from Bloemhof is already at 2,990, and they opened the gates up to allow 3,200 out. You can see here that the gates opened is for 3,200 cubic. It will still peak at about 112%, and the inflow peaking here at around 3,700 cubic. The Gariep side, the orange side, Vaal Noord is back up to 2,200. Yesterday it was at 2,900. And the Gariep dam is still at 112%. Let's look at the dam itself. It will peak up to about 113%. The outflow will remain around 1,700 cubics there. And that water going into Van der Kloof shows a peak of just under 110% with an outflow of about 1,500 cubic roughly. So that still means that on its way down to the lower orange, 3,000 plus 1,500, 4,500, that's way more than we had in December. Katlani, where the two rivers meet, is already up to just under 3,000. That's a very, very rapid rise. Anyways, that's all I have time for now. I'll try to do a better one on the next one. See you on the next one. Cheers.